At least 9 people, including a child, have been killed after a massive fire broke out at a hotel in Kolkata. The blaze erupted around 2 a.m., trapping several guests inside the building on hotel on Mirza Ghalib Street near New Market. This is one of the city's busiest and most densely populated area. 4 fire tenders rushed to the spot after receiving information about the blaze. A disaster management team also reached the scene and joined the rescue efforts. It is suspected that the fire was caused by an air conditioner unit bursting.
के बाद हम लोग सोच रहे एक टीम बनाएंगे जिसमें केएमसी, पुलिस, फायर ब्रिगेड, हमारे यूडीएमए दफ्तर रहेंगे और ऐसा होटल जो लोग चला रहे हैं, ट्रेड लाइसेंस है कि नहीं, फायर लाइसेंस है कि नहीं, एक ही बिल्डिंग 3 तला बिल्डिंग 10 तो होटल चल रहे हैं, छोटा रूम्स 10 तो रूम, ये तो नहीं चल सकता है.
Well, 9 were rescued in an unconscious state and have even died. 6 others fell ill due to smoke inhalation and have been hospitalized. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed grief over the loss of lives, extending condolences to those who have lost their loved ones in the tragedy. He also wished a speedy recovery for those injured. The fire comes just 2 days after another deadly blaze at a hotel in West Bengal's Birbhum district. At least 8 people were killed and several others injured in that incident. For more, our correspondent Shreya Ghosh has sent us this report from Kolkata.
This fire broke out at around 1:45 at night, and 5 fire engines along with police and disaster management personnel rushed to the scene and brought the fire under control. So obviously all the guests, they were sleeping at night when this fire broke out. 9 people were rescued unconscious and taken to the Medical College Hospital, which is around 3 kilometers from this very spot. They were declared dead. 6 men, 2 women and 1 male child. Most were Bangladeshi nationals who come here for affordable premium medical treatment. And one of them is an Indian, Sandeep Paswan, a 19-year-old hotel employee from Jharkhand who joined just 6 months ago. The rest are all Bangladeshis. Another 6 people also fell ill because of the smoke inhalation and have been admitted to hospital. Now, eyewitnesses tell us that guests escaped by climbing onto the roof. Why? Because there are no exit gates, and it's a very critical situation here. The forensic teams have now arrived and they will be checking the carbon content at the fire spots. And the hotel owner, Bireshwar Mitra of Behala, who owns the nearby Japan hotel, remains untraceable. After the fire broke out. The Japan hotel manager called him but got no answer. His phone now switched off. So the manager of Hotel Shikhar has been detained. He is being questioned, but the owner is nowhere to be found. So the investigation continues. The West Bengal ministers, they are here on the ground inspecting the condition of these very hotels, which demand urgent redevelopment and, most importantly, a fire audit. This is Shreya Ghosh reporting for WION from West Bengal.